Hey grade ones, hope you're well. So, unfortunately, I'm not able to be at school today. So, I'm going to talk you guys through with what you have to do. So, you've been making your own songs on GarageBand. And in this lesson, you're going to do the same thing, but you can either work in a group of two or by yourself. So, follow exactly what I'm doing, and yeah, let's go. So, you're going to start a new song. You're going to start with a new song. You're going to go to keyboard that you can see on the screen now, and you're going to click on Smart Piano on the bottom left. So I'm clicking on Smart Piano, opens up, and you see you have all the chords over there. I'm going to go to autoplay, and I'm going to find an autoplay version that I like. So I'm going to go with number 1. Right, so once you have your sound, or once you're happy with the number that you've chosen on autoplay, then you click on the chord, which is C, and then you will press the record button. So I'm going to use the chords C, A, F, G, and I want you guys to do the exact same. So it's going to be 8 counts of each chord. So up here there's a blue triangle on the top right corner, and you can see that I'm putting it on and off, so it goes blue when it's on. That's your metronome. So you count that for 8 counts, and then you know when to change to the next note. So I'm going to start on the C for 8 counts, and I'm going to press record. So record is the red button on the top. So here we go. So I'm going to press record. 7, 8, A, 6, 7, 8, F, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, G, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I want you guys to have a minimum of about 5 instruments. You can do as many as you want. You can do 10, you can do 20, but I'm only going to do 5 for you guys. So to add your next instrument, you go to the bottom left corner, press the plus sign, and you go to Smart Piano again. You click on Smart Piano, and then you'll click on the piano icon on the top left where you can see the piano, and you can find other sounds. So I want to get let's add something, a synth chord, pulse chord. So I'm going to add this, and I'm again going to do autoplay. So I'm going to change it with this knob over here, and I'm going to do the same chords. Please keep in mind that you have to do the same chords. So you have to keep doing C, A, F, G. So I'm going to keep this on 1 as well, and I'm going to also do it for 8 counts on each. Press the record button. C, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, F, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, G, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, and it will go green once it's done. So I'm going to go back to my screen where I can see all my instruments by pressing the 3 lines on the top left corner, and it will take me back to this. So now that's my second instrument. I'm going to add my third instrument, and let's go with drums. So you're going to click again on Smart Drums, and I'm going to change the drum kit to a classic studio kit. Add my kick drum, and just press record. And you have to wait till it goes green. Right, so then it will go green, and you go back to the 3 stripes. So now I've got 3 of my 5 instruments. Like I said, you guys can add as many as you want to. And the next, I'll go back to Smart Piano, and I'll click there, and now I want to go find a bass. So I'll go to Other at the bottom there, and I'll find a bass guitar. So let me get the muted bass, and I'll also leave that on autoplay 1, and I'll press record. C, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 2, So now I've got my drums added with there. So far I've got a grand piano, I've got a synth, I've got a drum kit, I've got a bass guitar, and I'm gonna add, lastly, I'm gonna click on smart piano again, and I will add some brass to that. So brass sounds like that. So I'll leave that on autoplay 1. Right, so there's my 5 instruments. You guys can add more than 5 if you want to. And yeah, like I said, you can work in groups of 2 or you can work by yourself. And yes, hope you guys enjoy.